Kaimo. Show how.
Percocet, arrow, let me fuck fast. Money don't matter, money will matter. We can't really cash for it, that shit brings blood.
Alright guys, what's good? It's GC back. As you can see, we stuck in New York right now. I was supposed to go back to Virginia 2 nights ago.
Nope.
But Mother Nature is not letting us. Come on. Show them, look. I'm like 6 foot. Look at how many inches. Show them. Look at this.
Like half of my size already.
Freaking.
Yeah?
How am I supposed to walk?
Straight. Yeah, for sure.
Come on, Tito. And my little cousin Tito, aka the cameraman.
Why are you
Lead the
running?
way, Tito.
Why are you running?
Look at this, bro. We literally in like a day after tomorrow. Walking in a winter wonderland. All right, look. Let's try to record. Look, guys, look at how fucking deep my foot is. Show them the park, Tito.
So much snow.
So much snow. All right, I'll hold the camera. Let's go. Damn, this shit is deep as fuck. Oh. Guys, just look at this shit, bro. Tito, for the vlog, I think I just gotta throw myself in the snow. But we should come back with Derek and Emerson, no?
Low key.
Low key? We could go. You guys got like a football, no? Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, yeah, let's go back. And then let's wait for them so we could play them. 2v2, you my team.
Derek is ready.
God damn. Lock in there. You on vlog?
On vlog? You vlog now?
Nah, but yeah. Emerson say what's good.
Bumbleclad!
Realistically, y'all think I'm going home tomorrow or not? Tampoco.
Nah, tomorrow.
I'm with Big D.
Hey, yo! That's what I'm saying, bro.
Fuck it. Chicken al pastor right now.
Yes! 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 Yes!
I got you.
I swear to God.
Tito. Outside, we outside.
Alright, gang, so look, Emerson's here. I want you to run towards Emerson.
Okay.
Right?
I'm about to cook him, chat.
Right in front of his face. Right there.
Alright, so wait, hold on. Write the route out again.
Bruh.
Emerson's here, you're here. The bubble.
What?
Tight, okay, babe.
Hit it on it.
Tight, alright.
Ready, set, hut!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
If I can even give the ball, bro.
Emerson, yeah! Tito! Tito, come here!
Hi.
I'm gonna cut to the left. Make a short break. And then give me over.
You're gonna go like this. Tie it.
When you see me over in the right.
A little slant. Alright, bet.
Emerson, yeah!
No.
Help! Help! Help me!
Oh, y'all back in. No gay shit. Somebody gotta clean my ass.
Yo.
Fuck, it's cold. Alright.
What's that? Want to do the same route?
He's gonna close?
Same route?
Nah.
Or 1, 2, 1.
Yeah, hit me on the post for opposite. So I'm gonna go.
Gotcha.
And then the other. Back to that.
Say, hey!
Surprise. Catch that. Oh shit. Watch it.
before you hit the chair.
All right, bet. I need you to hit the right out. You're gonna hit a fake and back right. Say hi.
They both fell.
And his name is John C.
Hold on, that hit your face.
It's in my fucking nose.
I just tried to get an angle like I jumped on you.
Huh?
I hit you hard. Oh, fuck it. That's a good clip, though. My fault, Emerson.
Alright, he still got the He's guarding him. Recording?
Yeah.
I'll guard him.
Once you get ready, right? Once you get to a certain point, cut to your leg man fast, and then over to your leg. Say hut.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Drive by, drive by. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck, fuck. Oh, shit. Soldier down. Here, there. All right. Oh God. Or we should go down like a block, beam some shit, and then we gone. Yo, hit this lady right here. Fuck it for the clip. Yeah, man. Dang, I wish y'all don't have a sled. There's no like hill down here or something. So like if there's like any like hill or slope.
There's one like there. Like past like everywhere.
That would be tough. Or you know what else? If we had like a truck, but I mean you can't really do that here because they be on the streets. But like if VA would be like getting, like tying the sled to the truck and they could just drive you around. Come on, lock in.
Fucking
Deadlift gang. Hey.
Yo,
Yo.
I'm good.
Nah, shit not moving.
Alright, fuck it. Let's just start a snowball fight with these niggas. Fuck it. Fuck it for the clip. Ready, Emerson? You was ready to hit feet. You was gonna hit. You was gonna take off, Derek, or you was just gonna stand on business.
I'm still on business. We're gonna walk normal because it's like, hey, look.
Gang, no arm, gang. I say hit the neighbor. The neighbor's crib, gang.
Alright, let's get closer to hit that.
Hold on, does the neighbor live? But they have like the whole junk, like the upstairs, downstairs.
Oh yeah, I think it's
Snowstorm 2026. Tito, say what's up for you too. Hey, look at how much snow there is, bro. Just look at my cousin's car. That shit fuck, gang. That shit, you remember, Emerson, you seen that one car that was like in Philly? You know, the one that was frozen? This about to be Evelyn shit. Poor Charlie, RIP Charlie 2026. The outro.
Money know what matter, money what matter. We can't really cash one, that can bring blood.